front, I was taught to keep a weapon. If it ain't a glizzy, then you know it's Smith & Wesson. G41, I'm finna smoke it to the face. Gas got them tripping, they even asked if it was lace. Niggas got sticks like a matchbox. I'm in these woods like a Sasquatch. I'm in these trenches with the have-nots. Caught a few new toys, but it ain't for no ties. Niggas gon' hate on you if they know that they ain't got it. Niggas gon' hate on you if they know they can't obtain it. They pillow talking, but I done caught the new chain. Roll up a 7, I swear we ain't smoking the same. I caught the 7 and then I jumped off in the game. Then I caught the half cause I had to go and maintain it. Tats on my body, I'm rocking me long sleeve. What the fuck would I be if it wasn't for the tree? What the fuck would I be if it wasn't for the trap? I custom spin this shit and then I get it back. My life ain't a movie, but my shit realer than rap. All that flexing, man, I know you jibby capping. Bet it all on me, I bet I make it happen. Grinding 7 days a week, it ain't no slacking. I'ma pull up on you fast and I'ma serve you. If you just pump faking, then I'm just gon' swerve you. And you smoking on that quiet, I ain't heard you. If you keep playing with me, then I might hurt you. If I don't know you, I'ma pull up with the straps like Erskine. Been in the game since they had that real purple. My little angel, she also like the nurture. Putting in work, cause you know I gotta get further. TV. Got the wire running from over there. We're gonna tuck it behind the kick pedal board there. Ran under the carpet to the center here. It's the button for the TV. See, we got it illuminated. When we push it, we got the box in there, inverter box that it'll start up. And we should see the TV come on in a second. Only thing we gotta do is get some batteries for the Roku remote, or I'm gonna download the app on my phone and just work it from the phone. Do Roku remote, and then I can run whatever apps I want. You can watch YouTube, Xfinity, all that different stuff right here in the car. That's the reason the TV. A lot of people do iPads and stuff. I don't see the purpose of me having to take it in and out, so we're gonna leave this one in here. See, we just gonna hook it to the Wi-Fi on my phone. That's how we're gonna get the Wi-Fi hotspot, run whatever app I want. They also make the mobile Wi-Fi, so I'm thinking about putting a mobile Wi-Fi in here too. So this thing be a whole kind of a smart car. Next, wiring up a digital dash. TV off. I like the button illuminated. You can either leave them illuminated or you can make them unilluminated. I left mine illuminated. Hopefully it doesn't kill the battery or anything. I don't see it's just a little small 24 volt. If it does, I'll switch it over. You just switch the wires and wire me in different. Alright, so we got the button mounted. Put it here. I wanted mine to sit up a little bit. Didn't want it to sit flush in there. Just gotta clean up all the sawdust around it. We got the inverter box in there. We're gonna get some double-sided Velcro tape that up, get rid of those wire nuts. See if we can get it to come up. We got enough battery life. So if we get a red light, that means it's not enough battery life. Yeah, they changed the alternator probably on here because it's been acting up. But if we turn it off, we should have enough. There we go with green. So as long as that's green, we should get action on the TV. It's just with the car on and the alternator acting funny right now. Yeah, like it don't want to work, so everything's on the button. Next, we're gonna run the wires for the windows, so we can put those in place. We're gonna turn it off with the button. Turn it back on. We got a green light. That TV. So that's just with an inverter. Ran straight to the battery on the switch so we don't kill the battery. So when we don't want this TV on, just hit this button. Boom.
soft, so it's red. It stays red all the time, but when you hit it, it'll stay red as well. So it's push in, push out. You'll feel it pop in and out. But you can also wire it to go off. I'm gonna turn it on. As you can see, TV off. All right. Next, digital dash. Still gonna get some action out of it now. No, still not enough battery life.
My dick. They talk about the ups, but it's some downs to this shit. They talk about the ups, but it's some downs to this shit. Came from the bottom, back then I ain't had shit. Counting up this moolah, back then I was on my dick. They talk about the ups, but it's some downs to this shit. They talk about the ups, but it's some downs to this shit. They talk about the ups, but it's some downs to this shit. They talk about them grounds.
So right now we just tuning the TV in, got remotes, batteries. So we're just gonna get everything working right now. Updated the software on it. And we're gonna see if we can get YouTube or something to come up next. There's the button. There's our box in there running. Green. Button. TV still going. Software update. They say it's a smart TV, so it does a lot. It does more than the original TV, so that's why I put it in here. So we're gonna see what all we can do on here. See, got the TV going. There's the button. Got action, got video, everything going through the hotspot and the remote. You gotta know what video this is if you're on my channel. You got action, boy.
New toys, but it ain't for no time. Came from the dirt and I came from the trenches. Niggas be hating, they acting like bitches. I'd rather get money, I ain't burning no bridges. I never talk to snitches, get stitches. Too many L's on the road to the riches. I know that you hear me, but is you gon' listen? I be the pack up just like Sunny Lee. Invest in the pack, get it back in the G. You tell me the plug, but I'm feeling reissues. I need a stack of PD, niggas trying to pour it, they fresh out the boat.
No, I'm going down there. Yeah, it's her birthday weekend. We're going too.
Oh, okay. All the way through, in and out. All the way through.
Yeah, she came a long way from that.
New glass. New glass right now.
Turn it off. Turn it off. We'll turn it back on. We turn it back on. Yeah, we getting everything together. Still look a little messy, but we cleaning it up. Getting those. Gonna put the door panels on. Got the TV working on the button. As you see, we turn it off with the button. We turn it back on. We do all that. Oh, everything working by the key. Next, we move into this digital dash. So we got the voltage, which the battery a little low. Should be 13, so it's 11.2, but we're gonna get that right too. Put a new battery in here. We got new vent covers coming. We're gonna run our AC. Get the AC going. We're gonna upgrade the switches. That's what I got coming too, is the switches. Just need to figure out where we want to put them at. So I'm gonna upgrade the switch box. I'm gonna keep the existing AC, but just upgrade the box so it look more updated. And then we're gonna run our AC pipes and get our AC going, cause it's hot, boy. Can't be riding in Florida, no AC. So we're gonna get those going. It's working, but we just gotta run the piping and put our new box on there. The box right there works, but it's ugly, it's old. So we're gonna put a new updated one, smaller. So we're working.